Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to add strike through to text in Google Docs. Strike through text in a document is one of the most commonly used features. It is generally used while filling and formatting online or offline applications. Let me show you all the possible ways that can be used for adding strike through to your text. First of all, log into your Google account with appropriate credentials and open the document that you want to edit. Now, select the text sentences that you want to add strike through. Then go to Format menu and then click on Text and then click on Strike Through. Strike through will be added to the selected text. In order to remove strike through, you can follow the same steps by selecting the text, going to Format menu, clicking on Text and then click on Strike Through. The strike through will be removed. There is another method for adding strike through by using keyboard shortcut. For this, just select the text that you want to add strike through and then use the keyboard shortcut Alt plus Shift plus 5 and strike through will be added to your text. To remove the strike through, again use the same shortcut Alt plus Shift plus 5 and the strike through will be removed. So this is how you can add or remove strike through from text in Google Docs. Please like and comment on our videos, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. The link to the article is given in the video description, so please check it out to clarify the steps. Thank you for watching.